Welcome to 1801 Charlton. This former bungalow has been totally remodeled for 21st century living. A welcoming front porch opens to a flowing, open floor plan with abundant windows, hardwood floors, and French doors that open to the study. The heart of the home features a white cabinetry kitchen with farmhouse sink, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and breakfast bar with access to the deck and backyard. The first floor owner suite has French doors that open to the deck, luxury bath and dual vanities, a fully tiled shower, and multiple closets. The expansive second floor features a loft with clear-story windows, perfect for a sunlit family room, playroom, or home office. There are also 2 additional bedrooms, a full bath with freestanding tub, separate shower, dual vanities, and laundry. Other highlights include a large basement and detached garage that is transformed into a cool workout or play space. This classic westside Ann Arbor neighborhood is in walking distance to Virginia Park, Eberwhite Woods, local schools, and the vibrancy of downtown Ann Arbor. For more information about this property or others, please contact your realtor.